respected principal, teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I, Umar from class 1 and his, stand here in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic. Hard work is the key to success. If you want to shine like a sun, was born like a sun. Dear audience, as you all know, that life is full of twists and jumps. Everyone has to strive here to get success. Hard work is obligated for success. Hard work doesn't need talent, but talent needs hard work. Talent is cheaper than a table salt. हार और जीत तो अपने अंदर होती है. हार और जीत तो अपने अंदर होती है. मान लो तो हार है, ठान लो तो जीत है. Dear audience, as you know, everyone wants to be successful overnight, but does it happen that way? Not really, because there is no shortcut to success. It is a result of hard work. Dear audience, you can't achieve anything without working hard. If you want to do well in your studies, work hard. And if you wish best athlete, you must run faster. And if you want to be remembered as the best student, you must put in more efforts. बेअमल दिल हो तो जज्बात से क्या होता है, धरती बंजर हो तो बरसात से क्या होता है अमल लाज़मी तकमीले तमन्ना के लिए, है अमल लाज़मी तकमीले तमन्ना के लिए, वरना रंगीन ख्यालात से क्या होता है. Hard work can make impossibilities possible. It is a result of hard work, learning from failure. Dear audience, there is no secret to success. ख्वाब जिनके ऊंचे और मस्त होते हैं, ख्वाब जिनके ऊंचे और मस्त होते हैं, इम्तिहान भी उनके जबरदस्त होते हैं. Dear audience, the word rest doesn't exist in the dictionary of hard workers, because in a very much that success is not given in a silver platter. If you want to fulfill your ambition, work hard and don't be afraid to a failure. Failure is nothing but an opportunity for you to try again, maybe a bit harder this time. And we must make full use of our talent and remember that success can only be achieved by hard work. I will end my speech with these words. मुशक्कत की दिल्लत जिन्होंने उठाई, जहाँ में मिली उनको आखिर बढ़ाई, किसी ने बगैर इसके हरगिज़ न पाई, फजीलत न इज्जत न फरमा रवाई. निहाल इस गुलस्तान में जितने बड़े हैं, हमेशा वो नीचे से ऊपर चढ़े हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.